Hi guys, this is Vishay Thakur once again, and today we are going to discuss about the most sexiest topic of 21st century, Python, the Python language. So welcome back to my channel Beginners Tutorial. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you that how to download this Python in your PC and how to get started with this software. So let's get started with this. So guys, for downloading Python, you just simply need to write Python download on Google. The first link you will get there, just click on the link and you will be directed to the Python official website, and here you can download this software directly. Here you will get the pop-up and you can save the software according to the desired location. As of now, I'm already having this software in my PC, so I'm gonna show you that how this Python basically looks like. So yeah, this is how this Python basically looks like, and you can do your coding. You can start your coding right here. So guys, see, nowadays we are using this Python coding in an interactive manner. So Anaconda is a software which provides you with some of the notebooks which provide you like kind of big libraries and kind of big functions which makes your coding very convenient. So this is how you can download Anaconda. Yeah, so this is how you can download the Anaconda Python for your PC. I'm already having this, so I'm going to show you that how this Anaconda navigator looks like. Guys, this may take a while for opening, so nothing to worry about this. This is a big software as we compare to R or Python. Yeah, so this is how this Anaconda navigator looks like. Guys, these are the some of the notebooks which Anaconda provides us. You can use any of the notebook according to your convenience. For me, Jupyter notebook is my favorite, so I'm gonna use this notebook for my entire tutorial. So you can do any of the notebooks. So I'm gonna do with this. Yeah, so this is how this Jupyter notebook looks like, and this is how we're gonna open a new file. So guys, this is a kind of cell which is used for writing the codes, and we'll do the codes here. And these are some of the options which you all are maybe familiar with. So that's all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, then just do like my video, and if you are having any of the queries, just please do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely reply your queries. Thanks for watching my video, guys.